In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form using Google Forms. Start by opening your web browser and heading to forms.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the Forms homepage with a few quick start options. We're going to build from a ready-made layout to save time and ensure all the essentials are covered. At the top of the page, click Template Gallery. This expands a collection of pre-built form layouts organized by category. Templates are a great starting point because they include common fields and formatting, so you don't have to assemble everything from scratch. In the gallery, find and click the contact information template. Google will create a new form based on that layout and open it in the editor. You'll notice it already includes standard fields like name, email, address, and phone number. This gives you a solid foundation for collecting the basics you need from anyone who wants to reach you. Now customize it to match your needs. Click the form title at the top and give it a clear name such as Contact Us, and add a short description that explains how you'll use the information and when someone can expect a reply. Next, go through each question. Use the required toggle where information is essential, like name and email, so people don't skip key details. If you want a longer message field, add a new question and switch the type to paragraph to let people provide more context. You can also change question types as needed. For example, use short answer for names and emails, and consider adding a drop-down for inquiry topics to help you route responses more efficiently. For quality control, you can apply response validation on certain fields, such as setting phone to accept only numbers or making sure an email field follows a valid format. Reorder questions by dragging the six-dot handle next to each one, placing the most important fields toward the top. If your form is longer, add sections to break it into logical parts, which makes it less overwhelming. Personalize the look and feel by selecting the palette icon at the top. Choose a header image, brand colors, and a readable font style to keep everything on brand and easy to scan. In settings, you can choose to collect email addresses automatically and customize the confirmation message people see after submitting. As you work, use the eye icon to preview how your form appears to respondents. Make any final tweaks, and you're all set with a polished, functional contact form built in Google Forms.